Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Pino. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification to see future content, how to put money and time back in your pocket. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find alternative routes using Waze. We're going to jump right in here. If you look at the bottom of the screen, there's a little blue arrow. Click on that. It's going to bring you to this screen. It's loading. It shows you best time to leave and all that jazz, but you want to click on routes. That's what you want to go for right there. All right, this is going to pop up, and what it does is gives you 3 different routes for where you're going. They're all alternatives. They're all usually within a few minutes, and the mileage is completely different. But if you click on the map view, it's going to show you multiple directions that it's going. One is the interstate, one is half of the interstate and half back roads, and one is all back roads. I like this feature when I take my commute, because when I take back roads, there's never traffic. But when I jump on in the morning and take the highway, about 3 minutes in, that's when everyone starts pinging the traffic. So I like to use these alternative routes. It's a good feature to have. Very simple to do. It's very easy. If you like this, make sure to like the video and follow along in my series of how to use the Waze app and Waze Carpool. I'll be following up with all the other features in this app very shortly. Make sure to subscribe to get that future content, and at the end I'll leave a link to the next video in this series. And if you have any questions on your favorite apps or navigation apps or anything specific towards Waze, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions on how to put more money back in your pocket, subscribe to the channel and we'll talk about that.